Hey guys, what's happening? How to find Instagram profile URL or link. So you can use your browser, right, to basically log in using your Instagram account, right? But unfortunately, I won't be able to do that because I'm already logged in or already have the app on my iPhone, right? So as you can see, yeah, now I can do that. Previously, like before I recorded this video, they always direct me to the Instagram app. So now I could just go ahead and click my profile icon at the bottom right, and then go ahead and simply copy the URL right here. Secondly, which you can easily do on app, right, or in app, click your profile icon at the bottom right, and then click share profile, and then simply copy the link, right? You're gonna be able to share that link with other people. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.